is Abdurrahman. In today's video, I will show you how to create a typing speed test app. So let's start. We will see its UI design. There is my typing speed test app. There is a paragraph, headings, and time, WPM, accuracy, and input, and three buttons for reset, start, and stop. First, if we see it's working, so let's start is start buttons. So let's start typing. So let's we see its pop-up message. So we need to make it, and if we okay, then we see WPM accuracy, and if we reset, then it's reset. If we change its paragraph, then reset again. So let's start its code. So first of all, we see its HTML code. We shall make a container, main divs, and a paragraph which you like, and a div for paragraph displaying, and HTML. Here HTMLs we make headings for status bar, and makes div for time, WPM, accuracy, and take an input for user typing, and makes a reset button, a start button, and a stop button. So let's start. We see how its JavaScript code works. So there's JavaScript code. First we make an array and take four paragraphs or which you like, and take time left variables for assign a time. Anything I will make it 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds which you like, and make a timer for displaying times, and time start for using conditions, and total times I again explain that which you like to share, and we will make a constants for displaying HTML code for in JavaScript. To connect HTML code in JavaScript, we make an built-in form of JavaScript that dot get element by ID document dot get element by ID. We assign a variable and write a built-in form, and here we put our ID in the HTMLs we use. There is a default. For first we display defaults: accuracy 0, WPM 0, time 0, and assigns it. So let's start a loading paragraph for loading, and there is we take a constants variable for assign mat.floor for displaying multiple paragraphs when we click reset button or reset our page. For mat.randoms multiplied by paragraphs length, and constant selected paragraph is my assign variables, and we display a paragraph and random text for multiple displaying paragraph displays dot inner HTML. If we not write anything, then it's find empty. So select paragraph dot split, we use our built-in forms of JavaScript for using a ternary functions for displaying paragraph split dot for each every paragraphs split forms, and let span is equal to document dot create element is a built-in form of JavaScript. There we use to create any elements in JavaScript, and display on the browser. For using display for in the browser, we use an built-in form of append child. For span dot inner text is equal to car is use I will use is in the function, and display dot append child, I will again tell you, append child is used for displaying create elements in the browser. So let's start is calculations. In calculation I will make calculate results functions, and assign variable spans type text and mistakes. In spans I will display query selection all in spans words all were displayed in span, and type text dot text area dot value and type text is equal to those text area dot value. Oh, and mistakes displaying 0 we use here for conditions. Let I is equal to 0, we make it anything 1 2 3 which you like. I is equal to, yeah, greater than equal to type text dot length. In I increment we use increments. JavaScript we use increment and decrement for displaying in for loops. And again we use if conditions. For type text is not equal to spans dot inner text, then mistakes plus plus. If type text not equal to inner text in the text area which user displays, mistakes plus plus mistakes बढ़ती जाएंगी mistakes but plus plus. Let words is equal to type text dot length divided by 5. Its formula for words. WPMs means minutes is equal to total time minus time left divided by 60. OR gate, we use OR gate. I divided by 60, its formula for minutes displaying. And WPM math dot round, we also discussed it's in the in paragraph loading. Math.randoms, and there is math.round. Math.round is used in the WPM formula. Words divided by minutes. Accuracy, type text dot length less than 0. Compared math.round, it's used for compare. Question marks is used in JavaScript for compare. And type text dot length minus mistakes divided by type text dot length. Its formula for accuracy. And WPM display dot inner text is equal to WPM. We use it as a string, or if we use plus then display. It's we like which we like, it's depend on us. So accuracy display dot inner text is equal to accuracy. Again uses it for if we use to plus. And accuracy displaying, it's depend on you which you like to display. Then we start timer functions. We use to start timer. And I take a function start timer. If timer less than 0, then timer left manage means increment decrements. And time display dot inner text is equal to time. If we use plus, I again explain you which you like. If you like this, you if you like this, you can use it. And the display calculate results, we use in next these functions. And else condition, we use else condition. If not users not display this. And clear interval timer, display timer and time starts is equal to false. We also use it as a time start as a condition. There is we use here a condition time start is equal to false. There is no time start. Display default text area dot disabled is equal to true. Text area near text area emptied. And alert message times up, and users click on alert message and display what WPM and minutes which he use. And text area dot add event lister, it's a pre-built function we use in JavaScript for pre-built-in form. Inputs on click inputs, add event lister on inputs, we use a function ternary. If condition uses, if no time started not equal to. And text area dot value dot length less than 0, then start this condition. Timer is equal to set interval start timer hundreds, it's pre-built for start timing. And time starter is equal to true, or time starts. Let's we use Here are two variables assigned span span. We use span for variables display para dot query selection in span. I again explain how query selection works. There's all words display in span, and let type text is equal to text area dot value type text. We assign it a variable for type text value text area value spans dot for each. For you will use this here for coloring the paragraph spans dot for each. For every verse span index we use this here arguments and you use ternary. Let type is equal to type text index is constant. We use here I. We use also here I or index, which we like to write index. If we use this again if conditions, if typed is equal to null typed is equal to 0, then display this condition. Span dot style you can use it in the CSS style. I also use it in JavaScript, which you like to use it. Span dot style dot color is equal to black. Span dot class list dot remove is a built-in form of JavaScript to correct or incorrect displaying or remove everything in the data. So else if conditions, we use else if condition. Type compared span dot inner text, then span dot style dot color is equal to green. Spans colors greens. Else if else conditions, span dot style dot color is equal to red. So here we call the functions calculate results, and we use function start functions. Here we use buttons start, and we display it in the start btn. We use if conditions. Time starter not equal to, then start this condition. Text area dot disabled is equal to false. Text area disabled false. And text area dot focus, we use its built-in form of JavaScript. Timer is equal to set interval. Start times, it is blue. It's a built-in form of JavaScript. Time starter is equal to true. And then we use stop functions. Clear interval timer time starter is equal to false. Then text area dot disable is equal to true. We use it for stop btn and reset btn. We take all defaults things. We use here clear interval times. Here's built-in form of JavaScript. Time left is equal to 10, which you like. I again explain it. Which you like to give time starter 40, 50, 60. You like. And time starter is equal to false. We use conditions in start. Text area dot disabled is equal to false. Text area was disabled, and text area dot value is equal to empty. Accuracy display dot inner text is equal to default. Accuracy is equal to 0%. Default displaying, and wpm display dot inner text is equal to wpm default displaying. Time display dot inner text is equal to default displaying. And load para, we call load para in the reset btn, and also call load para in the on refreshing the paragraph. So we have a typing speed test app. It depends on you how to create you the header and footer. We discuss only of this, and how it works. Its coloring on depend on you. Its UI design depend on you. That is my typing speed test, and I explained you how to create typing speed test. So we see you soon in the next video. So Allah Hafiz.